We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up OMF stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a green solid candle, bullish. Price action, higher highs. Price action, lower lows of the overall market. Price action is currently near the midpoint line. There's also a pattern above price. Pattern that we're receiving is the head and shoulders pattern. We have a left shoulder, we have a head, we have the right shoulder. The market dropped down. Overall, 3 pushes to that top. 1, 2, 3. Triple top or double top and a retest. Market came down to the midpoint line. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what is price action currently doing. So far, price action is side by side with the second last candle in the market. So that's showing that this market is doing some type of consolidation. We're going to see if that market is going to continue to consolidate sideways, or is it going to respect its area of support, work its way up from a single bottom, first, second, third, going to a double bottom, break and retest after the resistance, or is that market going to break, retest the bottom, work its way down for a break and retest? Headed down to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame, the doji, second last candle is a doji as well. Second last doji is a pin down to the bottom, a push down to the bottom, so price is respecting that, so it's like an incline. It's like a break and retest, so we have the market broke down, consolidated sideways, pushed up to retest. So we're going to see if that market is going to push down further. So that'll be coming from the break and retest, or are we receiving the first leg, second leg, third leg is going to eventually come. Price action is the third leg, so first, second, price action is the third leg pushing down. So if we receive a bullish green candle, market can push up for that W in that area. Price action, second last candle, third last candle side by side. So price is working its way for a consolidation. It's also identifying a double bottom in this area here. So we're going to see as we walk down further. Headed down to the daily time frame. Price action, last candle in the market is a bullish green candle working its way up, engulfing the second last candle in the market. It may engulf the third last candle in the market if it closes out well. And below price at that area of lows, we do have that double bottom incline that we did identify on the weekly time frame. So let's draw it out. Coming down in red is the first leg, coming up in green is the second, coming back down in red is the third leg, pushing back up in the fourth leg. So we have the double bottom in this area here. Market pushed up, so we have first, second, third, fourth. Market came back to retest, and the market's working its way up for the push. Price action is engulfing the price action, second last candle in the market and the third last candle in the market. Didn't get to close out yet. Maybe pushing up further. Also, if you look into this area here, we have price action, highest high, lowest low area. Price look like it just broke the midpoint of that area. We're going to see if that market, the break and retest as we walk down the time frame. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. Price action on the 4-hour time frame is coming from a W. So we have price action, bullish green candle at the low. We have the first, second, third, and market pushed up, double bottom. Market did break. It's sitting on the resistance. So we're going to see how far the market going to push up further, or it's going to retest that or consolidate within this area here. So let's walk down the time frame to see what we see. So price action is also identifying is at the second level highs of this area, and we have second level lows. Headed down to the 3-hour time frame. So we have like a triple bottom head and shoulders pattern. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up, head and shoulders pattern, or triple bottom, double bottom, and a retest, and the market pushed up, broke the midpoint line. Price action did engulf the previous candle. It is like it's about to engulf the previous second last candle. Work as well to close out to push up further. Price action is sitting on the second, resting on the second level high. So we're going to see if we're going to receive a break at that area or what's going on in that market as we walk down. Headed down to a 2-hour time frame. Price action on a 2-hour time frame is a bullish, bearish red doji, small candle here, sitting here side by side with the second last candle. So that's identifying a double top. Market pushed up once, market pushed twice, same area, side by side, double top in that area. Headed down to the 1-hour time frame, same as well. Headed down to the 45, reading the same as well. Headed down 30, 30 is reading the same as the 45, and the 1 hour and the 2 hour. Now on the 15-minute, now we're receiving price action candle is a bearish doji. Second last candle is a doji as well. So what happened was price spiked up that high and worked its way sideways. So it's still within side by side the previous candle. We do have a slight engulfment, price action slight engulfment of the second last candle, but as it being a doji, we have to wait for another candle to form to be more solid for that market to push that direction. So far we're looking at a double top consolidation, headed down to the 5-minute time frame. So we can see the consolidation in there where markets bounced up and down in that area. So let's read what happened. So market spiked up to the high, came back down, pushed up to the high again, dropped down. So price came from a double top, came back to support, and we had one push. Let's see what's going to form within that. Price acting near the resistance line. Price action candle is also a push down to the bottom, both the second last candle tagging that area of support. Price looks like it can be working its way up. Get down to the 3-hour time frame. 3-hour time frame, price created an area of support again for a retest with the price action candle sitting at a green doji. Let's read the market, see what happened. Market spiked up, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we are reading that double top as we did on the 5-minute time frame. Market created a single bottom, tagged that bottom of support once, pushed up to the high, and then dropped right back down to that midpoint. Market is resting on the midpoint. Could be the third leg into the fourth leg of that market. So market's trying to draw out that first leg, second leg. Price action stopped at the support for the third leg. If we receive a bullish green candle pushing up further after this, may identify a double bottom. Price working its way up. If not, price can break. So if price break is coming from a first, second, third, fourth retest, market coming down, coming from a triple top, a double top, and a retest. It will follow for the break and retest. The market to see if it's going to work down further. Hey guys, please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. OMF.